That's why I'm suggesting a grand national convention for all communities in Uganda to meet and resolve and answer two questions. Is this the Uganda we wanted by making it during 62? Or if we have gone wrong, what do we want?
Hi viewers, we are here in Stockholm, Sweden, celebrating Uganda, the Pearl of Africa.
This is Martha from Tanzania. You're watching CelebrateUganda.com. Africa Unite. Love you all. Mwah.
Ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who are watching us, here with me, I've got His Honorable ex-Katikkiro of Uganda and the advisor of Kabakas. We've been on the speech. It has been very, very inspiring. The speech was very, very, in fact, inspiring. We are on the 50th year of the Ugandan independence. And Your Honorable, I had a few words that you shared with us, and you talked about how we as Ugandans, we need to take back the power to bring it from bottom to the top. And you talked about human rights. Can you just slightly expound on the human rights, how you literally talked about it on your message?
Governance should not be given. I told you, any human right is born and given by God. It is not given by the state. Therefore, if we want to govern ourselves and capture back our power, to be from people to top, not top bottom as it is, that's why I'm suggesting a grand national convention for all communities in Uganda to meet and resolve and answer two questions. Is this the Uganda we wanted by making it during 62? Or if we have gone wrong, what do we want? If we say it is what we want, we leave the current administration and the leadership to continue. But if we say no, we state what we want and how we want it to be. And each community which was a party to the 62 Constitution has to be around. It comes on equal terms. There is nobody, whether you have 10 million or another one is 1 million, another one 3 million, we at par. We'll decide how we want to be governed. And once we set that system, leaders will only comply with the policies we have set. So leaders will be subjects of the people. We will only be answerable to people's will. We don't want where now leaders are the bosses of the masses. We want that to be reversed. And even if you say, like my Honorable Kamia says, that a federal system is the adequate, governance system, it has to originate from people. And people should state it, how they want to be governed. If you call it federal, fine. If you call it whatever, so because these names of the Europeans, federal and what, at times they confuse. Confederal in America is not the same of Germany, it's not the same of Sweden, it's not the same of Australia. Therefore, federal is not black and neither white. Don't tell people to vote for what they are not going to be clear. But let people sit. All of the 15 nations or communities which formed Uganda. We may even like to subdivide it. We may even like to to dissolve Uganda. But we are the people to set policies and the destiny of Uganda, so that leaders come as servants, not as the bosses of the people.
Hi, actually I'm Lilian Nakasindesewuliwa, based in Sweden. I am proud to be Ugandan and I'm celebrating 50 years of independence for Ugandans. We still have a long way, but I think we're getting there. We can make it. Thank you.